Eating at Anthony Bourdain's favorite spots in NYC, burger joint at the Thompson Central Park Hotel is New York's worst-kept burger secret. They have signs to find it, walk through the lobby, and you're in this hipster-looking burger den. Bourdain absolutely loved it.
Who would have guessed good food in a hotel? I mean, it's unbelievable.
I ordered a cheeseburger with the works, $11, and while it hit the spot, I've definitely had better. The place is a vibe, but I'll take Shake Shack over burger joint any day. And the good news is, Bourdain loved Shake Shack as well.